Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohammad Aminuzzaman. I am a project manager of Rural Visual Journalism Network from Bangladesh, and this project is supported by World Press Photo and organized by Drik Picture Library Limited. For this project, we choose these types of device to train the rural journalist how to make a multimedia report. So with this device, I will show you one report here after my presentation. This device, we train them, and they are now using this device to make the multimedia report. This is a iPod Touch only. It's very cheap. In Bangladesh, it's 22,000 taka, and we use this $1 holder, and you can use any kind of tripod with this, and it will give you the high definition video. And you can take photo, video, and you can also edit with this device, and which I will show you is all edited in this device. And thanks to the Mac Apple computer, they introduced the editing software named the iMovie, which was just launched before 2 years ago. So that's why we can run this project very easily, because people can learn it very easy way. And our rural journalists are covering this subject. It's a environmental issue, governance, gender issue, human rights, culture and religious festival, and livelihood. And the goal was this project is to create a network in Bangladesh, which is now in very what you can say is a dangerous situation in Bangladesh, because most of the report, if you see from our online newspaper, it is from the urban area, especially from Dhaka city. But if you really want to make some report or create one network in whole over the country for rural journalists, is not it there. So we are trying to make a network through this project, and our objective is to build this project sustainable. Change this. Right now, we have already covered half of our country. If you see our map, you can see this green part we already covered, and 30 rural journalists are still working, and by next year we will cover 100% of our country. Till now, 360 stories already produced and 129 stories on the online. If you go to the driknews.com, you can see these multimedia stories. And 3 training we have already done. Next, please. But the challenge of this project is, as you know, the sustainability and the report quality. In Bangladesh, the educational level in rural area is not as the cities area. So who are from the rural area, the journalists, their quality and other knowledge is not like as the urban journalists. So till now we are facing the problem to get the right level of reporting, but the hopeful we are getting better and better. And another challenge is to make this project sustainable. Right now we are getting fund from the World Press Photo, but within the 3 years we have to make this project sustainable. So could you please run this video? It is in Bangla, but you have subtitled.
খুলনা জেলার তেরখাদা উপজেলায় বিলটি অবস্থিত। জলাবদ্ধতার পূর্বে এখানে চাষাবাদী জমি ছিল। 5 বছর যাবত এটি অনাবাদী জলাভূমি। এই অঞ্চলে এখন কৃষিকাজ হয় না। এখানকার মানুষ এখন আর আবাদ করতে পারে না। শাপলা তুলে মাছ ধরে কোনো মতে বেঁচে আছে।
এই বিলে আগে জলাবদ্ধ ছিল না। পশ্চিম সাইডে ভৈরব নদী, পূর্ব সাইডে মধুমতি নদী, এর শাখাগুলো মরে যাওয়ার কারণে এই অবস্থা হয়েছে বিলির।
তরিকুল ইসলাম রনি গত 5 বছর আগেও এই বিলে ফসল ফলিয়েছে। নবান্নের ফসল মাথায় তুলে বাড়ি ফিরেছে। এখন এই বিলে মাছ ধরে কোনো মতে বেঁচে আছে। রনি প্রতিদিন গড়ে 1-1.5 কেজি মাছ সংগ্রহ করে। সে প্রতি কেজি মাছ 80 থেকে 100 টাকা দরে বিক্রি করে গড়ে 150 টাকায় পরিবারের 6 সদস্যের অন্ন যোগায়।
পানি করতে পারে না, নদীর পানি সরাচ্ছে না।
রহমান 5 বছর আগে সে জমি চাষ করত, এখন মাছ ধরে। তার মতে বিলের আশপাশের নদী মরে যাওয়ার কারণেই বিলের এই অবস্থা।
কেউ মাছ মারতেছে, কেউ কিষেন বাজার দিচ্ছে, কেউ শামুক খুঁজে খাইছে, কেউ ফ্রাই মেরে খাচ্ছে।
অন্য কোনো আয়ের উৎস না থাকায় বিস্তীর্ণ বিল জুড়ে এই অঞ্চলের কেউ কেউ পাখি শিকার করে থাকে।
নদী মরে গেলে না, তার খাল তো থাকে না, ওই পানিটা না আসবে, তা খাল থাকলে কি হবে? এই জন্য আমাদের ওই বিলদার অবস্থা।
পানি নিষ্কাশনে পরিকল্পিত ও আশানুরূপ ব্যবস্থা গৃহীত না হওয়ায় জলাবদ্ধ এলাকার হাজার হাজার মানুষ কর্মহীন হয়ে পড়ছে। তেরখাদা উপজেলার মানুষের দাবি এই মুহূর্তে সরকারি অর্থ সহায়তার মাধ্যমে পানি নিষ্কাশন করা।
Any questions from the audience? We'll have to make it quick because we have one more presenter after this. So.
Quick question. The videos that you've put, it's on Drick News, right? Has it also gone to local media, and based on any of your stories, has there been any interest from the national media or from the local government officials? Have you followed up on any of those? Has any of that engagement happened after you put it on Drick News?
Till now, no, because our newspaper are not yet ready to upload the multimedia report, but hopefully by next year they will subscribe our this report.
Any more questions? Last one.
Hello, I just have a very basic question. How do you plan to make it sustainable model? As your number of reporters are going to increase on the ground, and there's going to be certain cost, even though it's cheap, of producing those little films.
So the sustainability, we are hoping that by the next year, our 5 to 6 national newspaper will be ready to upload this multimedia report. So they will be subscribed of this feature report, and 2 new TV channels are ready to take the report from us. So that we are trying to do these things, and because we have the time 3 years, so I'm hoping that by this time we will be sustainable on this issue.
Thank you.
Thank you.